dead. I'm dead. But I did a good job and I'm proud of myself. Happy Monday! I'm also gonna be packing some carrots with a dollop of hummus. And we're feeling good. Okay, so me and my sister and my dad and my dogs went on a 3.4-mile walk. And I'm just so pooped. But I'm gonna shower right now and then I'm gonna drink some water because I feel very kind of dehydrated. I haven't drank water since this afternoon at work. It's 6:27 right now. It's time to work out. Happy Tuesday. I have a headache for some reason, but I'm gonna take some Pre and we're just gonna get it done. We're gonna get the day started. My family, for some reason, uses this crazy ass Edge of Insanity Pre, and this is the flavor Black Ice. It's actually pretty good. I like those shoes a lot.
I've been dying to try these.
What are they?
On clouds.
Are they comfy?
Yeah, they're really comfy. Look at all the cushy.
Fucking birthdays or what?
Oh, I love those, to be honest. I'm glad you think so too.
Oh, what? This is perfect. It's like, hey, I can't say cheese.
We found our pets. Should we name them?
This is the book we use. This was the recipe. Just so you know.
Just so you know.
Damn, Martha. You want to try?
Am I pulling it? Is it moving?
That's what I'm saying. Told you, this shit was hard.
Oh my god, her face is on the cork. Hey Martha. We're trying Martha Stewart's Chardonnay tonight.
Good.
It's good, even though I made a face. It's good. Good morning, everybody. I'm so tired. There is a cold going on in my family, so gonna take my vitamins and try and stay healthy. I'm vlogging from my cup cabinet. I basically wanted to come on here and document really quickly how I'm feeling because I'm just honestly not feeling my best right now. It's 9:53. I have to go to bed soon. It's my first week back at PE and I'm really happy to see the kids and I love the whole community there, but the people that I work with kind of really stressed me out because I'm the supervisor and I'm kind of learning this year and trying to deal with confrontation. It's just really awkward. A week ago I was just in Seattle with my boyfriend exploring and eating good food and seeing new things every day, and like I felt so happy and I felt so relaxed, and I just feel like I am already really stressed out a week later. I feel like as soon as I got home my chin started breaking out. I've had my period for almost 30 days now because it's messed up with my birth control, and like my cramps were really bad today, and I just kind of had like an off day with myself and I didn't work out, and then I was beating myself up about not working out. And like I know that I'm doing a good job, but I just am really hard on myself sometimes, and I just did not have a good mental health day today. I'm just honestly trying to get this week over with. I have a lot of fun things planned this weekend that I want to vlog, so I'm looking forward to that. And there's only 2 months left of this PE coaching job and that'll be done, and then I kind of have to figure out my next move from there. So I'm excited. The uncertainty of like what I'm going to do next really makes me nervous, but I'm down for the ride. I'm documenting it all on here for anyone to watch and for my future self to watch. But today I was not feeling it today, and I'm still not feeling it now. So I think I'm gonna have some ice cream and then I think I'm just gonna go to bed because I need to wake up early tomorrow, get my workout in, feel good. Wednesday, done, cut, one for the books. Now we're over it. Good night. Okay, good morning everybody. We're here. It is 7:34 on a fine Thursday. Got dressed in my little pink Amazon biker set. Now I'm gonna make some breakfast and we're gonna get after it today. Taking my vitamins. I definitely feel like last night was a moment. She was a little sad, but I went to bed and now I'm ready to just tackle the day. I was really stressed out last night and I'm really nervous, but I think that I just gotta do it. Since I'm a supervisor at my job, I have to have this really awkward conversation today that I've had, feels like so many times, to basically tell the people that I'm working with to like do their job better. So, you know, it's either that or like stress out and be passive every other day. So, break time. You can't have these conversations on an empty stomach.
please do not mind my appearance right now. I'm just editing this vlog, and it didn't sit right with me to not put a disclaimer before this next part of the vlog. I was not mentally well while I was filming this week, and I do think that it's very interesting to look back. This vlog is from the first week of April, and now we're at May 1st. Over the month, I have done a lot of thinking and practicing and kind of relearning certain things, like how to balance out my workout routine. I can see myself a lot throughout this whole entire vlog, just constantly pushing myself every morning to get up and work out, even though I look so tired. This was definitely one of my more weaker moments, deciding to take pre-workout at 9:30 p.m. and force myself to do a HIIT workout because I wanted to punish myself by going over my calorie intake that day. And I have not been counting my calories the last few weeks because we're learning what is healthy for our body, what works for us. And if this lifestyle works for you, that's great. This obviously did not work well with me because I ended up having a breakdown after this. And you know, this is why I document my life, and you know, we're constantly learning, constantly trying out new things, and just living. I just wanted to make a disclaimer that I know this next few clips in the vlog are not healthy, and I'm not being my best self. I'm not in my best mental state, clearly, throughout this vlog. But I just still wanted to post it because I want to remember it. I want this to be a space where people maybe can relate to if they've ever been through something like this. So yeah, just a disclaimer. Enjoy.
So I know it sounds crazy, but I didn't get a workout in today. So it's 9:30 p.m. right now, and we're gonna go work out. Right, Dad?
Yep. Get it.
So we're gonna do a video. Feels a little bit like punishment because I'm not feeling the greatest. And so this workout feels like a little bit like punishment, which I recognize is not healthy.
At least I recognized it, I guess. Still not healthy though, girly.
But at least we're recognizing it. And I already took a little teeny bit of pre, so we're gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. I just finished my workout. I did 20 minutes of a HIIT video. I honestly don't know if I feel better than I did before. Obviously, I got out a little of whatever was going on. It just felt like that workout was more of a punishment, if anything. I started using MyFitnessPal at the beginning of this year. I'm in the dangerous world of entering my calories and tracking my calories all in one place. Most days it's really good. It benefits me. It just kind of lets me know where I am with my calories. But then there are some days where I'm like, shit, I went over my calorie count. And then I kind of do things like this where I went over today, and then I felt the need to do a HIIT video and take pre-workout at 9:30 at night and almost punish myself for going over my calorie count. The video was a 35-minute, 40-minute HIIT video, but I just felt like my body was so exhausted after my whole day. So I just capped it at 20 minutes, and I was like, you know, this is good enough. My body is tired. I don't want to push myself. I'm mentally and physically tired, so just documenting this if anyone's in the same boat. But I had a long day, and I think I'm gonna get up early to go to Orange Theory with Patricia, and I'm just gonna shower for now and relax and rest and stay off Instagram and maybe watch some YouTube and go to bed. But that's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. I definitely did not work out this morning, and it felt so good to just sleep in. I got me and the coworker some coffee because I'm a good supervisor. Now I'm gonna head to work. We're gonna get it today, and hopefully my boyfriend will want to go on a hot girl, hot boy walk later, a long one, because I feel like I just need some walking therapy. I feel like I just need a good old walk, because walks cure all. So hopefully that happens later. But I'm so happy it's Friday and I'm doing something fun with my friends tonight. But I'm kind of freaking out because I have turned into a really big homebody and we're going out. So it'll be fine, it'll be fine. It'll be great.
With the escargot, no shell?
No shell.
Thank you.
Oh,
It smells really good.
it smells hella good.
How many were in each
You're
little
gonna, you're gonna
hole?
get you're gonna get more, don't worry.
How many? No,
Yeah,
no,
you
no.
get one more, Juno.
Yeah, get one more.
No.
You can eat it by itself. I'll eat it by itself, whatever.
How many were in each
Juliana,
hole?
I need some more.
So there were a
Okay.
bunch in one
Everybody's
little hole?
thinking about it one time.
Yes.
No, Gina's going first.
Together. So
You're not,
you're
be
not
open.
It's on the tail, Cyril. Oh, it's close.
By the way, what did you think of the escargot?
It was good. It didn't taste like chicken. But it tasted like kind of like a mussel mixed with a clam. I don't know. I give it an 8.
Out of 10?
Yeah.